Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are in this beautiful world. Today we are going to read a story called Ocean, Waves for All. I have a set of these books. I have Ocean, Sun, Earth, and Moon. And I didn't know which one to start with, but I love the ocean, so we're going to start with Ocean. This was written by Stacy McAnulty. I'm not sure how to say that exactly right. McAnulty, and illustrated by David Litchfield. Dude, I am Ocean. You know my many names. Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, Southern. It's all excellent me. My salt water flows across the planet as one. I have no flag, no nationality. My waves are for all. Life on Earth began in my epic waters. I keep the global climate just right, and I have rad secrets. But I'm facing a major wipeout. Only by working together can we get back in the zone. It's you and me, dudes. That's what the back cover said. All right, let's start. Wow, look at this beautiful page. I love this. I think this is going to have really good pictures. Okay. Dude, I am Ocean. You know my many names. Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, Southern. It's all excellent me. My salt water flows across the planet as one. I'm free. Try to get you to see all the good pages here. Earth is called the blue planet because of my epic deep water. I swirl over 71% of our world. I have no flag, no nationality. My waves are for all. Make sure you can see that really well. I'm older than the air you dudes breathe. I've been here for about 4 billion years. Most of my salty H2O, water, formed as baby Earth began chillin', as in cooling off. But some water may have been delivered by icy comets. For millions of years, I was cruising solo. Then came land. Dry to my wet. I was stoked for this change. You see him over there? Life on Earth began in my epic waters. Way small at first, like microscopic man. Bacteria, algae, single-celled organisms. But life grows, changes, and gets totally interesting. Jellyfish, multi-celled organism, plant life, fish. And, like a boss, I hold some righteous records. Home to Earth's biggest animal, the blue whale dwarfs any dinosaur. Longest mountain range, meet the mid-ocean ridge. Largest living structure, the Great Barrier Reef. This beauty can be seen from Moon, far out. I'm rolling in riches like gold, oil, silver, and even diamonds. I don't need pavement to be the ultimate highway. More than 50,000 merchant ships can travel my waves on a single day. I deliver food, clothes, toys, books, surfboards, and everything you dudes need. I'm a deep, layered soul. This page goes through all the layers of the ocean. The sunlight zone, the midnight zone, the trenches. My deepest spot at 11,030 meters, or 36,188 feet, is the Mariana Trench. I could swallow Mount Everest. The abyss, the twilight zone. Okay, so sunlight zone, twilight zone, midnight zone, abyss, and the trenches. Wow. Moon controls my tides, high and low, twice a day, harmony. And I keep Earth's climate just right. At least I try to. I am the ultimate friend, your bro. Without me, there's no animals, no plants, no you. I want people to know me. You dudes have better pictures of Mars than of my bottom. It's true. And more humans have visited outer space than my deepest spots. Awesome for outer space, bummer for me. 90% of my waters are completely dark, cold, and yet totally rad. Come explore my secrets. Check it out. Tube worms, hydrothermal vents, volcanoes. Talk about totally tubular. Sad news, dudes. I'm facing a major wipeout. Whole islands of plastic and garbage float in my waters. Whoa, not cool. Some creatures are struggling to survive. Overfishing is a major bummer. Glaciers and icebergs are melting super fast. Too fast. Back together, we can get back in the zone. But together, we can get back in the zone. Let's find that sweet balance. I am your neighbor, your friend, your past and your future. Dude, I am ocean. Wow. And then the author has put a lot of facts about the ocean in the back. I'm not going to read all of them, but I'll just show you quickly. You can pause the video. Hope you can see it well. You can pause the video and look at that if you want to. It's a letter from the author. And then, ooh, a would you rather. Cool. You can pause that if you want to and do some of those activities. All right, look at this beautiful picture. Oh my goodness. Hope you can see that well. All right, and that is the end of Ocean Waves for All. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned a lot about the ocean and you thought about it some more. Maybe you want to explore the ocean one day as a scuba diver. Maybe you love to go to the beach, and you can make sure to take care of the earth and the oceans by not throwing your plastic on the ground or in the water and throwing it in the trash can and recycling. So, thanks again for watching and listening. Moochie's behind me sleeping, so I won't wake her up. But thanks again, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in this beautiful world, and I will see you later. Goodbye.